This design is for our semi-automatic coil bender. We designed with the 2 coils can be bending in one time. And operator put the coil on the table. Here you will see at the end of the table there will have the flexible chain, movable chain with the fixture to fix the length of the coil for different straight lengths. Let me show you. And the bending by Servo motor, by Servo. Here's the structure. L shape, U shape, even G shape can be bending by this machine as well.